Hey guys, today I got my fidget here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I made it. So, let's take it apart. Come on. So first, you take this piece and slide it through like that. And then grab this pad, put it on for instantly, and then put it on. Okay, so, and then you put that right there. Then you put this one right here. No! I broke it. I can fix it. Bye. Okay. Well, this is how it spins. Oh, God. One is like that, and one is like this. So, like, subscribe, stay tuned, and comment down below. How did I make? What pieces? Comment down below. Everything. So, bye.